Connecting HoneyBook to your Squarespace website allows you to streamline client bookings and project management. Here's how to do it. Log into HoneyBook. Start by logging into your HoneyBook account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Access the settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Company Settings. Find the Embed code. In the Settings menu, locate the Client Portal section. Here, you will find the option to copy the embed code for your booking link or calendar. Log into Squarespace. Open another tab and log into your Squarespace account. Choose the site where you want to add the HoneyBook integration. Add the code block. Go to the page where you want to display your HoneyBook booking link. Click Edit and then select a section. Click the plus icon to add a new block and choose Code from the options. Paste the code. Paste the HoneyBook embed code into the code block. Adjust any settings as needed. Save and publish. Click Apply, then save and publish your changes. Your HoneyBook booking link should now be live on your Squarespace site, allowing clients to easily schedule appointments.